CrazyCap UV 2.0 water purifier and stainless steel insulated water bottle turn any water source into pure drinking water, perfect for hiking, camping, traveling, and survival. Self-cleaning bottle, have a drink and relax. CrazyCap prevents the spread of odors inside your water bottle. Every 4 hours, the UV rays in the cap are automatically activated, keeping the water 99% fresh and clean and the bottle free of mold and mildew. 60 seconds for clean makeup, so easy even kids can do it. With just a few touches of your finger, you can enjoy clean drinking water wherever you are, at home, camping, at the sports field, or at the parents' line. Tap the lid twice for a quick 60-second cleansing or 5 times for a deeper 2-minute cleansing.